How to turn off automatic time zone in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general and scroll down, and here you see the option date and time. Click on date and time, and here you can set automatically by default, and if you want to turn off automatic time zone, then simply turn off this set automatically, and then here you can set your time zone from here, and here you can set your date or time. So this is the way to turn off automatic time zone in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.